Hi everyone, my name is Matt Kosak. Thank you for your interest in utilizing Daffy to help automate the install of OpenShift as well as Cloud Pack for Data on the HCCX OpenShift gym. Let's get started with our prerequisites for this exercise. So to get started, the first thing we're going to need to do is SSH into our bash node. That command was given to you in your OpenShift gym credentials email, so I'll copy and paste that right now. And again, make sure you're on your TechNet VPN, not the regular VPN. Yes, we want to continue. And we are given our password from the same email. And we're logged in. So now we're going to switch to be root user for the remaining commands of Daffy by running this command, sudo su dash. You can see that we've switched to the root user. The next thing we're going to do is register our Red Hat account that we created as prerequisite number 5. So utilize the command given on the Daffy HCCX website, but filled in with your username and your specific password. This exact command I'm going to copy and paste in. I'll go ahead and blur out my password, but you can see that is my username and password, and this will associate this Daffy session with our Red Hat account. So I've already registered the system beforehand, but this will be the step that you do that. After updating our Red Hat account information, we're going to need to download the latest Daffy scripts. So in the OpenShift gym, a script is actually included to do this step for you. It's in your home directory, or this tilde under the root user. We see it called update daffy.sh. Run this command listed here, the /update-daffy.sh, and that will copy the necessary scripts to begin our Daffy install process. Okay, so now that we've downloaded the latest Daffy scripts, now we're going to copy our environment file. So to do that, we're going to make sure to give our file a unique name. Oops. So I've actually gone ahead and created one with this name, but I'm going to name it with my last name, or actually we'll just do my first name. We'll do matt.m.sh. We're going to make one small change to our environment file, and that's if you do the vim command to open up your environment file and scroll down to the bottom, you can see our Cloud Pack for Data services are actually commented out. So we're going to take out the comment signs to enable the successful installation of these services. Okay. All we have to do now is go ahead and actually begin our deployment process. To do that, we're going to run the following command. Entering our environment name, after which we'll choose the Cloud Pack that we want to run with, and we'll get started with our Daffy process. Here we're asked to put in our IBM entitlement key. So we'll enter our entitlement key that we got from the prerequisite section. Soon we should be asked for the Red Hat pull secret as well. Now we see we're prompted for our Red Hat pull secret. Go ahead and take that from the pull secret you downloaded. Again, you covered this in the prerequisites. And we'll continue on with our installation. A few hours later, we see our install is complete. Please save the information around the web console password and superuser. Now we just need to update our host file. To update our host file, we're going to open up a new terminal window and switch to be the root user. From here, we're going to use the vim command to open up our host file, and then we're going to insert this OpenShift gym hosts entry you see here. This was given to you in your OpenShift credentials email. So let's look. We can see we log into our homepage. Now let's make sure that our services are properly provisioned. Under governance, we see the expected functionality of a WKC install. And to double check that this was a successful install, I went ahead and created a specific Daffy category in WKC called Daffy Test Category. So we see that Cloud Pack for Data is successfully installed and working properly. And that's it. You've successfully installed OpenShift and Cloud Pak for Data on the HCCX OpenShift Gym. Please reach out with any questions you have to the Slack channel listed on the screen here. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.